Hey folks, this is Paul with Barletta Marketing. Excuse my voice, I'm a little hoarse from speaking too much, but I have some good news for you today. Before we start the Crazy Cash flyer, we have some more income proof. Yes, we do, ladies and gentlemen. Some more income proof. And let's open this bad boy up. And this is from Steve. Steve over in California. Steve in California. Welcome, Steve. Welcome to the team. You're going to be happy you joined us. And here we have it, folks. We have $240. Yes, I allowed Steve to come in at a discount because he really wanted to join the Crazy Cash Cow flyer. And folks, this flyer is converting like wildfire. You really have to see this, and I'm going to tell you the reasons why. It's unlike any other flyer. It just doesn't, it gives more than any flyer gives. And let's take a look at this. You can start at the $200, $400, or $600 level. And let me show you what you get here. For $200, Crazy Cash Cow package, 200 full data leads. Folks, these leads cost us $2 to $3 a lead. $2 to $3 a lead. But they convert better than any mailing list. And we've tested out dozens. Alongside that, you get 1,000 grocery coupon vouchers to any supermarket. Do you know how huge that is in today's economy? $1,000 alongside this package. Grocery coupon vouchers. And alongside that, you get a MailBox Cash Money Marketing Kit. Folks, this kit is far by none the best kit for direct mail marketing made by Mr. Ricky Reed, the legend of direct mail marketing. And 5 books of stamps and unlimited support. Folks, you can call Ricky Reed and myself. My phone number is 862-658-2086. We send $100 to Ricky Reed, he's the admin, and $200, $400, or $600 to myself, Paul Barletta, at 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. At the $400 package, you get the same thing alongside what you get at the $200 package. But what differentiates the $600 package is you get the same thing, but also 3-day, 2-night trip vacation. Folks, that is huge. At the $600 package, which I really implore you to get, is the 3-day, 2-night, folks. That is huge. Where else are you going to get a vacation package with a postcard marketing, flyer marketing? Nowhere. Folks, all that you get here alongside the Crazy Cash Cow flyer, this converts, folks. How does it convert? Let me give you some numbers. For every 100 of these flyers you mail out, you can expect 2 to 3 sales per 100. Folks, do the math on that. You send out 1,000, folks, you're going to make thousands of dollars. It's really worth it. Folks, join today. You can go down in the description, and you can see the information. You can send me CashApp. You can get started today. We'll send out your starter kit within 3 to 5 days, business days, 3 to 5 days. And also, please like this video, subscribe, hit the all notifications bell, and please leave any comments. I answer all comments. Thanks once again for listening. God bless, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.